Biography of Suhail Wadaish. Suhail Wadaish, the voice of reason in Pakistani journalism. Lahore staff reporter, veteran journalist, political analyst, and TV anchor Suhail Wadaish has long been regarded as one of Pakistan's most respected and credible media personalities, known for his calm demeanor, in-depth political insight, and the now iconic phrase, "क्या ये खुला तजाद नहीं?" Is not this a clear contradiction? Wadaish has become a symbol of thoughtful journalism in Pakistan's often turbulent media landscape. Early life and education. Born on November 8, 1961 in Johorabad district, Khushab, Punjab, Suhail Wadaish grew up with a keen interest in reading, debate, and politics. He completed his early education in his hometown before moving to Lahore, where he earned a master's degree in English literature from the University of the Punjab. During his student years, Wadaish was an active participant in literary and journalistic societies. His early exposure to public speaking and writing laid the foundation for a lifelong career in media and analysis. Career in journalism. Suhail Wadaish began his professional journey in 1985 as a print journalist. His insightful columns and investigate pieces quickly caught attention in the Pakistani press. With the rise of private television channels, Wadaish transitioned to electronic media, where his career flourished. He became a household name through Geo News, where he hosted the landmark talk show Ek Din Geo ke Saath, A Day with Geo. The program's format, spending an entire day with a public figure, allowed viewers to see a personal and human side of politicians, celebrities, and social leaders. His composed tone and a respectful questioning style earned him admiration from audiences across the country. Wadaish later hosted Left Right, a political debate show presenting opposing ideological perspectives in a balanced format. His ability to mediate intense discussions while maintaining neutrality made the show one of Geo's most watched programs. In addition to his television work, Suhail Wadaish continues to write influential columns in leading Urdu newspapers, often focusing on politics, power dynamics, and social behavior in Pakistan. His writing is known for its subtle humor, culture reference, and deep understanding of Pakistan's political psyche. Books and publications. Suhail Wadaish has authored several well-received books, including Gadar Kaun, Who is the Traitor, and Analytical Gaddar Kaun, Who is the Traitor, an analytical work based on political interviews and the shifting loyalties in Pakistani politics. Qatil Kaun, Who is the Killer, a thought-provoking examination of political conspiracies and leadership crises. He is also reported to be working on a new collection of essays reflecting on media ethics and Pakistan's democratic evolution. Recognition and awards. For his outstanding contribution to journalism, Suhail Wadaish was honored with the Pride of Performance Award by the President of Pakistan in 2024. He has also received several journalism awards from local and international media organizations for his integrity and impactful reporting. Personal life. Suhail Wadaish is known for maintaining a private personal life. Colleagues describe him as a humble, disciplined, and deeply committed to his profession. Despite decades in the spotlight, he avoids controversy and remains respected across political divides, a rare quality in Pakistan's media environment. Legacy. With a career spanning nearly 4 decades, Suhail Wadaish has become more than a journalist. He is an institution in himself. Though his television programs, books, and columns, he has educated generations about Pakistan's political realities, often with humor and humanity. His calm, questioning voice continues to remind viewers of the power of reason and the value of truth in journalism. MD Udan News TV Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social worker Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act. This program sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. We deals with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil Cooks, Desi eggs, Asil Jat Kadahi, Asil White Kadahi, Koil Jat Kadahi, and Elevex Beauty Soap, and marriage proposals for all casts. Mobile number 0323 4787 870. You are watching Udan News.